Okay, I saw this question on the RXL forum. I thought it was kind of an interesting question. He wanted to download from this website. He wanted to download not the close, but the high value and the low value, and then unpivot it. Now he downloaded them both at once, so I suggest doing it one at a time. So I'll just do the high first, and I'll get the series. Oh, I forgot to click. Let's do it. Let's do this because this has 4 of them, and then get the series. And if you download it, now remember this is the high, so I'll download it, open it up, and I'm gonna enable editing, and what we'll do is get rid of the date here, and what I'll do is I'm going to convert this to a table because it's making it easier, so I'm going to go Control T and go OK. And then what we can do, you can go to Data and load the data from the table, and you get this Power Query. And I'm going to highlight this cell and I'm going to highlight Facebook. Hold on Shift and highlight the S&P 500, and then I'm going to go up here to Transform and unpivot columns, only the selected. Okay, and since this was high, I'm going to change the name to high, and then what we can do, we can go back to Home and close and load. So now we have the highs. So then we can go back to the website and get the lows. So I'm going to get rid of highs here and get the lows and get that series. And then we'll down, I believe I got it already. And we'll open that up. And then, so this one, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to go enable editing. I guess I can leave the date there, it doesn't really matter. And we go Control T, table as headers, and do the same thing. Data, from table. Same thing, go here to here. And just do the same thing all over again. Probably an easier way to do it. I'm not an expert at this, but and then this is how I would do it because I don't know a lot. And I'm going to go and then we'll change this to this was low, so I'll call it low. And I'll close and load that to another. Okay, so now we have 2 of them. So I could go here, I could go low, and then the low is over here, right? So I could just go equals that, and then hit enter, and it'll populate that. And then so you have there it is unpivoted. I'm not sure what else you'd want to do. You might want to copy and paste it as values to get rid of the table if you want, or get rid of the table, because this is linked to that other one now, right? To the other table we did, the low table. So but anyway, that's probably how I would unpivot it. And hopefully that helped. If you like my video, my picture will come up here. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking on that video, on that picture if you haven't, or give me a like if you like it. So thanks for watching. Bye.